Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to share Google Business Profile reviews on Facebook page. So on my Google Business Profile, I'm receiving some positive reviews that I can post on my Facebook page to build a trust between my customers. So here what I want is that as I'm going to receive a positive review on my Google Business Profile, then automatically I want to post that on my Facebook page. So for that, I need to build a connection between Google Business Profile and Facebook page. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to receive a positive review from Google Business Profile, then automatically I'm going to post that on my Facebook page. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can share Google Business Profile reviews on Facebook page. So in today's competitive landscape, customer reviews plays a significant role in building trust and credibility for your businesses. So positive reviews on your Google Business Profile can attract more customers, but their impact is limited if they only appear in one place. So by sharing these glowing reviews on your Facebook page, you can reach a broader audience and reinforce your brand's reputation across multiple platforms. So automating the process of sharing Google Business Profile reviews to your Facebook page ensures that every positive reviews get the attention it deserves without requiring any manual effort. So this integration allows you to seamlessly turn customer feedbacks into engaging content for your social media followers, and this will help you to enhance your online presence and drive more business. So in this video, I will show you how to set up this automation so you can effortlessly share your best reviews with your Facebook audience, keeping your social media content fresh and engaging. So here what I need to do is, I need to build this connection between Google Business Profile and Facebook page. So we are going to build this connection in such a way that as a customer leaves a positive review on our Google Business Profile, then automatically we are going to post that review and we are going to share it on our Facebook page. So here we are going to build this connection without any coding and programming skills, and we are going to build this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in this landing page, we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time, and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow. And for that, I'm going to click here on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to share Google Business Profile reviews on Facebook page. So here this is going to be my objective, and now what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and in this tab I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account. And here I have this particular folder of Facebook page, so I'm going to select this. And now I need to click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, Trigger and Action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And Trigger says when this happens, Action says do this. So Trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and Action is just going to follow that. So here in our workflow, we need to first set up our trigger. And in our workflow, we can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So for setting up our trigger, I need to first search for my trigger application. And here my trigger application is going to be Google Business Profile. So I'm going to search for that. And I'm going to select Google Business Profile here. Now I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab. A new review will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Google Business Profile with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. And for that, I need to click here on this connect button. I will click on add new connection, and I need to sign in with Google. Now here I need to click on continue to give access to my account. So I'm going to click here. And here I have successfully connected Google Business Profile with Pabbly Connect. Now here I have these two tabs of account and the location name. So here I need to select my account and my business name that I want to use in Google Business Profile. So first I'm going to take you to my Google Business Profile. And here this is my Google Business Profile Manager. And in this we can see I have these two locations and my account. So here I'm going to use this account and this location of Parampara. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I need to select my account and the location name. So for selecting the account, you can open this tab. And here you will find all the accounts that you have in your Google Business Profile. I only have one account which is of Parampara. So I'm going to select that. And now I'm going to select my location. So for the location, I need to do the same. I need to open this tab. And here I will find all the locations or all my businesses that I have in my Google Business Profile. And I can select any location that I want. So here I want to use this location of Parampara. So I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to first create a new review as a customer on my Google Business Profile so that I can get that review as a response here in Pabbly Connect. So for this, I'm going to open a customer account and I'm going to create a new review on Google Business Profile for my business. Now here I have opened this Google Business Profile for my business that is named as Parampara. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a review. So I'm going to scroll down and here I have this section of reviews and here I'm going to write a new review. So I'm going to click on write a review. And now first I need to give a rating. So I'm going to give it a 5-star rating and I'm going to type my review. So here my review will be, this is an amazing place for all ethnic wears and I loved my experience here. So this is going to be my review that I want to post here. So I'm going to click on post. And here I have successfully created this review for Google Business Profile. Now I'm going to click on done. And now I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And now in Pabbly Connect, what I need to do is I need to click on save and send test request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have all the detail of my review that I have received from my customer. And in this I have the star rating that is 5. And I have the displayer name or my customer name that is Ashi Rai. Also I have the comment or the review that my customer has left on my Google Business Profile account. So here I have the comment that is, this is an amazing place for all ethnic wears and I loved my experience here. So this is going to be my review and this is a positive review as I have received the star rating which is above 3 star. So here we can see that this is a positive review and I want to share this review with all my followers that I have on my Facebook page. So to increase my customer trust and credibility, I'm going to post this positive review and all the positive reviews that I'm going to receive on my Google Business Profile on my Facebook page. So here I have received this response of my review from my Google Business Profile and I'm going to use this response to post the reviews of Google Business Profile on Facebook page. So here I have received this response, but if you don't receive this response instantly, then you don't have to worry because this is a polling based response and within the next 8 hours you are going to receive this response from Google Business Profile. So as this 8 hours are the polling time of Google Business Profile, so what is going to happen is that in every 8 hours, it is going to start capturing the new responses of the reviews that we are going to get from our customers on Google Business Profile. And within the 8 hours, it is going to send that response automatically to Pabbly Connect. So we are going to receive all the review responses from Google Business Profile within the 8 hours in Pabbly Connect. And here, if you want to reduce this polling time, then what you need to do is you need to contact our support team. So here I have received this response and now what I want is that I only want to post the reviews that has the star rating greater than 3 star. So here what I want is I want to first add a condition and a filter that I can only post the reviews that I'm receiving from Google Business Profile that has the rating greater than 3 star. So for that I need to add my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab and here my action application is going to be filtered by Pabbly. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and filter values will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to connect filter by Pabbly with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. And here what I need to do is I need to select my label, filter type and the value. So here in the label, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the label of star rating and with that I can filter out the positive reviews from all the reviews that I'm receiving from Google Business Profile. So here for selecting my label, I need to open this tab. I'm going to open the response of Google Business Profile and here I have this label of star rating. So I'm going to select this as my label and now I need to give my filter type. So I'm going to open this tab and here greater than is going to be my filter type. So I'm going to select this and now I need to give my value. So here in my value, I'm going to type 3 and here I have set up this condition that as if I'm receiving the label of star rating and in that label I'm receiving the value which is greater than 3 star, then only I will consider that as a positive review. And as I'm going to receive that positive review, then automatically I want to post that review on my Facebook page. So here I've set up my condition. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button. And here we can see I have received this response. So in this response I have the status that is success, and I have this message that my condition is true. So this means I have received the star rating which is greater than 3 star in my review, and I can post that on my Facebook page. So here I have successfully set up this condition and I have set up this filter. Now what I need to do is I need to set up one more actions tab. And here in my action application, I'm going to use Facebook page. So I'm going to select Facebook pages here. And now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I have this option of create page post. So I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to connect Facebook pages with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And now I need to click on connect with Facebook pages. Now here I need to click on continue as Jesse Matthew to give access to my account. And here I have successfully connected Facebook page with Pabbly Connect. Now what I need to do is I need to first select my page where I want to create my post. So for selecting the page, I need to take you to my Facebook account. And here I have this Facebook page of Style Revolution. So I'm going to use this Facebook page, and on this Facebook page, I want to post the reviews that I'm receiving from my Google Business Profile, and I only want to post the positive reviews. So for this, let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here for selecting the page, I need to open this tab. And here in this tab, I will find all the pages that I have in my Facebook account. And here I have this page of Style Revolution. So I'm going to select this. And now here I need to give the message that I want to post. So here I'm going to type the message, and this is also going to be my post. So here I'm going to type my message, and my message will be, we love hearing from you. We are thrilled to share a fantastic review from one of our amazing customers. And here I have this double quote where I'm going to add my review that I've received from my customer. Thank you. And after thank you, I can add the name of my customer for your kind words and for choosing us. Your feedback inspires us to keep delivering the best service possible. Have you had the great experience with us too? We had love to hear from you. Please take a moment to leave us a review on our Google Business Profile. Your feedback helps us grow and serve you better. So here this is going to be my message that I want to post on my Facebook page. And in this message, I need to add some details from my response of Google Business Profile review. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the review of my customer, and also I'm going to add the name of my customer. So I need to map the response from my Google Business Profile, and I need to map that here in my message. And for that, I need to use mapping. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click on this double quote. And now what I need to do is I need to map the review that my customer has posted on my Google Business Profile. So I'm going to open this response of Google Business Profile. And in this response, I have my comment or the review. So I'm going to map this. And here I have mapped the review. Now what I need to do is I need to map the name of my customer. So I'm going to click after this thank you and comma. I'm going to give a space. I'm going to again open this response of Google Business Profile. And here this is the name of my customer. So I'm going to map this. And here I have mapped all the required details. Now as I have mapped these details, so automatically all these details that I have mapped here are going to get replaced with the details that I'm going to receive as a new response of the new review that my customer are going to post on my Google Business Profile. And automatically all these details are going to get replaced with the new detail in the real time. Now here I have this tab of link URL, and in this tab I can add the link of my Google Business Profile so that my customer or my followers that I have on my Facebook page can directly open that link and they can redirect it to my Google Business Profile. So here in this tab, I'm going to add my Google Business Profile, and now here I have filled all the required details. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have created a new post on my Facebook page with the review of my customer that I have received on my Google Business Profile. So to check this, let me take you to my Facebook page. And here this is my Facebook page of Style Revolution. So I'm going to refresh this page. And now here on my Facebook page, we can see I have created this new post. And in this post, I have this message that says, "We love hearing from you. We are thrilled to share a fantastic review from one of our amazing customers." And here this is the review. "This is an amazing place for all ethnic wears and I loved my experience here." So here we can see that this was my review that I posted on my Google Business profile, and I have posted that as a customer. So here I have used that review and I have automatically posted that review on my Facebook page. Also my message continues with, "Thank you Ashirai," so this was the name of my customer, "for your kind words and for choosing us. Your feedback inspires us to keep delivering the best possible service. And have you had a great experience with us too? We had love to hear from you. Please take a moment to leave us a review on Google Business Profile. Your feedback helps us to grow and serve you better." Also in this post, I have added this link which will redirect my followers to automatically to my Google Business Profile. So I can directly click on this link, and here we can see this link has directed me to Google Business Profile. Now let me take you back to Facebook page, and here we can see I have automatically posted my review that I have received on my Google Business Profile. And as I have received that review and I have checked whether it's a positive review or not, and as I confirm that it is a positive review, then automatically I have posted that on my Facebook page. So by posting the positive reviews on my Facebook page, I can make sure that I'm building trust with my customer and I'm increasing my credibility as a brand. So here I've successfully posted my Google Business Profile review on my Facebook page, and here I've successfully created this automation between Google Business Profile and Facebook page. So here I've created this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this connection between Google Business Profile and Facebook pages to automatically share Google Business Profile reviews on Facebook page. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Google Business Profile, and my trigger event was new review. Then I have set up my action steps, and first I have used filter by Pabbly, and by using filter by Pabbly I have set up a condition that I'm only going to post the reviews on my Facebook page that has the star rating greater than 3 stars. After this, I have set up my last action step where I have used Facebook pages as my action application, and my action event was create page post. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.